Yeah, welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Let me please share the link. Give me some few seconds or few minutes. So just join me. Make sure you smash the like button. No, 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 no. They will understand. I mentioned it in the live that I'm going to my other place. Yeah. Uh, okay. Guys, just hold on for me. I'm doing some things. Like I'm trying some new things. Hmm. Let me off my audio. Yeah. So let's get started, guys. Firstly, um, good morning, beautiful morning, everybody. Okay, let me quickly acknowledge all the people that are here right now. Okay, so we have Juliana. Please kindly drop the location you're doing us from, so let's know where you're doing us from. Your name and location is very, very important. Okay, so we have Madam Juliana, I believe that's from Lagos State. Mr. Shaulu from Lagos State. Mr. Ismail, good morning, Mr. Innocent. Innocent from where? Suraj Dada, good morning, sir. Everyone, Suraj Dada from Lagos State. Okay, I actually turn off the audio. I turned off the audio. I was one that turned off the audio because I was doing some background thing. But now I'm here. So, JC the King. Chief, we welcome you. We welcome you. Hi, Europe. We welcome you. So, let's get started, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get started. Let's get started. Let's get started. How many people, yes, when we were on live yesterday, who was with us yesterday when we were doing live session when I analyzed this trade, analyze BTC, analyze US oil. Um, Yesterday we also took this trade. What was the trade? GBP card. Yeah, we took GBP card yesterday. Hmm. We took GBP card yesterday, and it was success. Like now, just imagine if you are trading a prop firm now with these three trades, or let me say, not normally, a lot of people have passed their account. So if you are with me just for free on this YouTube alone, oh wow, PUD. Interesting. I've been waiting for this. Okay, so guys, let's see if we are getting another setup right here. Hmm. Let's see. I'm waiting for confirmation. Okay. Hmm. I want okay, based on market structure, for those of you that are my existing mentorship students, you understand when I said I want this market to close below. So that is characteristics of a downtrend. That take out this high, and that take out this low. So if we can get a market to close below here, this is a 15 minutes time frame. Of course, we will now look for our entry. It will be too risky if we want to just cop this trade from here. Though if you go to 5 minutes time frame, we might see the reason to enter this trade. Trust me. But it will be too risky. At this exact point is our entry if we want to play with 5 minutes time frame. But it will be too risky. It will be too risky. Trust me, it will be too risky. So I will want it to close below here. So more or less like we're having our first analysis of the day. I want it to close below here. Remember, I said it was yesterday that I drew this that I said I was expecting market to tap into this POI to continue selling to the downside. So I want this low to be taken out. If this low is properly taken out, then that will give me a confirmation that the sell is probably ready to hold. So there's something I want to talk about here, but I'll talk about it in the mentorship. Guys, remember that I said I want to talk about something related to structure here. Now, when we're talking about structure, I was talking about when market take out, print another low and now put up another higher high. That is what we call manipulation. But in this kind of case, we are not expecting manipulations to happen because manipulation has already happened. So, so therefore, let's wait. That will be our first analysis of today. Many people are with me. I believe you guys can hear me. I believe you can hear me. I believe I'm audible enough. I believe I'm audible enough. Okay. So moving on, we have AUD USD. We are waiting for a break of structure to happen down here because normally, okay, let me just say this. Normally, a break of structure should not have happened here. If it happens, that will show a clear manipulation here because this market is going on an uptrend. So for the fact that it's going on an uptrend, and then we have high, low, higher high. If you have a break below, that is signifying that the manipulation, another manipulation aside from the existing manipulation, another manipulation has happened again, and we are expecting market to just what to keep coming to the downside. So moving on, let's go to GBP USD. GBP USD, what do you got for us? GBP USD got nothing for us at the moment. We got nothing for us at the moment. We got nothing for us at the moment. The market is not, it's moving efficiently, so there's no inefficiency we can actually bank on. Oh, this trade, I posted it yesterday. I sent it to my mentorship student, I think. Don't know that I'm what expecting price. I talked about this on the live session yesterday. I talked about this on the live session yesterday that I'm expecting a buy anytime the market tap into this UI here. I'm expecting a buy, but I don't want to just take that buy because my stop loss will be here. It will be here. So instead of risking that to put my stop loss here, I'll wait for confirmation. And that is what I think is happening right now. So after the breakout, I need market to come and tap here to continue the buy to the upside. So I have called USD JPY right now. If you want to take advantage, this is the best time to take advantage of it. Okay. Okay. So moving on, we have XAU USD. That's gold. Hmm. Nothing serious on gold yet. Nothing serious on gold. Nothing serious on gold. Let's look at GBP JPY. So GBP JPY is doing this. Yes, I'm seeing a potential setup, but it's not complete. Our simple concept is not complete yet. The three things we look out for to get our entry is not yet complete. Yes. Uh, unless when I know where this one is coming from. Where is it coming from? Let's go to 4 hours time frame. Okay. So this guy is coming from. Let me put a line here. So where is it coming from? It's coming from here. Do you have a smart money reversal here? No, ladies and gentlemen. There's no smart money reversal here. It's just a pure mitigation. So we will not be banking on this. We will not be banking on this unless we have a clear inducement. Unless we have a clear inducement. So I wouldn't want us to bank on this unless we have an inducement that we can capitalize on, but there's no inducement yet. So there's no inducement yet. So if not, I'm seeing a I'm seeing a very good POI here, but come on, no inducement. But if the market can do something like this, as it is coming, if you can just do something like this, it doesn't even need to get here. Doesn't even need to get here. If you can do something like this, maybe come all the way here like this, and then you go back up, then I'll be expecting the market to buy to continue buying from here. Yeah. If I can see this kind of pattern formed, because this pattern is very, very logical. So when I see if this market come here, leave some inefficiency, close above like this, and it will come back down, then I'll be ready to take this buy to the upside. So I might just be doing something like this to the upside. That's if I get it the way I have drawn it. That is what I'll be looking out for on CHFDPY. On GBP on CHFDPY, you can see nothing serious here, nothing serious. Market is just been consolidating, consolidating. Yes, we have some manipulation here, but we don't have an engagement yet. So now BTC. So we have our entry on BTC since yesterday on the live session. It was called, I think it got activated yesterday night or in the middle of the night. So I got activated and it's still around the entry point but in profit. So Ethereum no set up yet. AUDJPY, AUDJPY, there's no manipulation of the There's no manipulation here. To say there's a manipulation here, we'll be looking for how to take this straight to the one side and take it back to the upside. But what we're waiting for on GBP GPY, similar things you can be waiting for it on this guy. This one actually has what I call the smart money reversal, but no clear investment yet. Now, GBP card, GBP card is such a good pair. It made us money. It made us money um 3 times and gave us one loss, which is nice. Now we have our US oil. US oil was analyzed yesterday. I remember when I was talking about this setup yesterday. I remember vividly when I was talking about this setup yesterday that with the way this thing is doing, we are going to get a sell. And then look at it. This thing has done more than 1 to 1, and now it's still going in profit. So okay, I think that's all for now on my own watch list. That's all for now on my watch list. So if we have anyone who wants to suggest his own pair so that we can look into it together, fine. If you don't, then I think I will just urge everyone that our mentorship has commenced and our mentorship has commenced and it has started. We started teaching, we started with the market structure and now we are on trend. So this week I want us to cover like series of 4 topics. We've already covered like two. So let's hope. What's today? Today is Friday. Oh, thank God, today is Thursday. So tomorrow, hopefully, we can have another session. I don't know if we are going to have a session today. I'm not sure. My private student, I don't think we want to have session today, except for someone. So I think that's all for now. Any question? Any question? No, everybody should take advantage of this mentorship that is going on because it's the most affordable mentorship I've ever seen. Yes, I made it like that because I've never seen that kind of offer before. So I try to make an offer that it is very, very rare. So take advantage of it, guys. Take advantage of it. You can see it's not about it takes a lot. I say it takes a lot, a lot for a trader to be confident to come live, to come and be doing these things. And then you guys see the ones that play out, you see the ones that did not play out. And you also see that most plays out. And intentionally, I did not want to be deleting all everything again so that you guys can see the wins and you can see the loss. So on ADSD, you guys can see the loss, the wins, the one that did not activate for us. No, everything like that. If I need to delete, I'll delete, but for now, I don't want to delete. So same thing as USD same thing as GBP same thing as USD. You guys are seeing it. This was a loss, but we got it back from here. This was a win, this was a win, this was a win. So we are anticipating to cash this also. So good. God has been a bad boy. It's not really caught good like the way I want us to cash it. The day this one was playing out, it was live. I talked about it on that live session that day when it was playing out. Also, when I was talking about validation. This one we were not live when it was playing out. So PDPG Pro, of course, you guys you see we always took everything. CHFJPY the same thing. You guys know when I call this trade live and when I call this live. In fact, this is like one of the first major live trade we took. BTC, AUDJPY, Ethereum also, AUDJPY, GBP5 has been a very, very big boy. US oil. So that is that for that. That is that about that. So if you want to join the mentorship, it's still very, very available till when we do some when we finish all these topics and I realize that you guys are not going to be and I realize that you guys will not cash up again, then I will not I will not accept payment again. So I'll just make sure I focus on the people that are already in the mentorship. And in as much as I focus on them and I see them doing well, I started plotting their results. I started, make a lot of noise about my result and their results. So the next mentorship that I'm going to roll out, it will be more pricey. Of course, you can't expect me to continue doing this kind of pricing for mentorship on something that was like, come on, how many thousands of dollars that I use. I actually spent thousands of dollars to learn this thing aside from all the group mentorship I've been buying all this while. But this time around, I paid for one-on-one with thousands of dollars to learn. And I'm giving that same value that I learned, giving it to you guys for absolutely $200 for private one-on-one. So that's very, very affordable. And group mentorship, $50. Private mentorship, the money I'm collecting for private mentorship or I'm charging for private mentorship is the same amount of money a lot of traders collect for group mentorship. So it's better you take advantage. Plus the fact that I will have the time because I'm just getting busy. So by the time I'm also very, very busy, I'll just use price and chase a lot of people. I'll just use price and chase a lot of people so that only the people that have serious money at hand will be able to afford it. So and that's the one I think about because one-on-one is very, very exhausting. It's very, very exhausting when you tend to fall. Unless if you are not ready to make sure that your 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 student get it right. But if you are so determined to make sure they get it right, you look for every scenario to make sure that your analysis, your explanation is clear to them and they can comprehend it. But for me, I'm I'm how do I put it? Like I'm craving for my student results. Like I should be posting my result like this. I should be posting my student result. I should be posting my result. I should be posting my student result. That's what I'm yearning for seriously. So I think that's all for now. We can call it a day from here, ladies and gentlemen.